Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. Zena's here. She says hi. She is so excited about today's unboxing video, right? Yes. Not really. Wyatt's here. He's in video filming pose as always. Can you say hi? Apparently not. There you go. All right, so today my Natalie Attired box came and it feels super light. So I'm thinking my stylist is thinking warm weather and spring, maybe summer styles. What do you think? So Natalie Attired is a subscription style box. You get 5 items, keep what you love, send back what you don't. They just implemented a new pricing structure. Here's the inside of my box. So you get better discounts. You don't have to keep everything to get a discount. Let me get everything out. Nice and light. You do get a bag to return whatever you don't love and don't want to keep. You pay a $20 styling fee that comes off of anything that you keep. So if you at least keep one item, that $20 styling fee does come off of it. If you keep everything, you get a 30% discount. 20% discount if you keep 3 or 4 items. So I have 5 items in here. We'll look at pricing at the end. My stylist says, and I have a new stylist. I'm pretty sure my stylist for Natalie Attired was always Evie, and my stylist is Renee. So it says, hi Laura, I hope you like this spring summer collection I chose for you. All the tops will look good with the shorts. Enjoy, Renee. Something like that. Okay, and they do, on the back of your note, do give you instructions on what to do next. It goes over the discounts, and you have 3 days to try everything on and let them know what you want to keep. So let's dig into this bundle. I see colors. You can tell a little bit better what this looks like. All right, so first up is a top by Philosophy in this very pretty blush color. Has the little cuffed sleeve here. Nice and flowy. That's pretty. Next up is by Habitat, and this looks very long. So this almost looks like a tunic top, like a tunic tank in a pretty turquoise color, but it is rather long. Next is a top by Vince Commuter. I feel like I get this top quite frequently in different boxes. So this must be popular, but in different colors and patterns. So this one is in a little black and white pattern here. Sleeveless. Has a nice flow as well. And what is this? This is another top. It looks sheer by Vinini in black. Let me see if I can hold this up. Yeah, look how sheer it looks. You can like see me through here. Okay, that's interesting. And I got a pair of white Liverpool shorts. These are called the walking short in a nice inseam. I like that. They're not too short. No distressing. These are nice. I always love Liverpool and how they fit. So, not bad options here. Let's get to the try on. I'll be right back. Okay, so first up is the blush blouse with the little cuffed sleeve here at the shoulder, and it has the little cutout front and the seam that runs down the middle here. I did a little bit of a front tuck. I put it on with the shorts by Liverpool. You notice they do have, they're called the walking shorts. They do have a longer inseam, which I like. And I am liking this blouse. However, it kind of comes up in an odd place in my arm, and I can feel it. So I'm not sure how I like that, if that makes any sense. Like I feel it under my armpits, under my arms, in my armpits. I'm not describing that well. Sorry, guys. I can feel it here. Okay, and I just put it on with a pair of slides. And I'm not sure if I would normally wear a pale pink with the white, but this is what she sent me, so this is how I'm trying it on. And I think the blouse is pretty. I just have to decide if feeling the sleeve here is going to bother me if I wear it for a long period of time. But I think the blouse is pretty. This is what it looks like if it's out. So the length is nice. The shorts are nice. They fit pretty well. And I like the length of them. So I don't really have any complaints. They are a little bit loose probably in the waist, but I wouldn't want to go tighter just because they're white and you don't want them too close to your body. At least I don't. I don't like them too tight. So, all right, let's get to another top. All right, guys, so now I have on this turquoise tunic top. What do you think of this one? So it is so long that if I think the object is to like cover these shorts all together, which are pretty long, then it would be a good top. But it feels kind of like, and look how long it is in the back. It's like covers everything. So I don't know, this feels like a lot of shirt to me. I like the color of it, but I'm not sure I really like this on me. I think it might be too much top. I just put it on with flip-flops, kind of a casual look, because it's kind of is very much like a tank, almost at the top with the crew neck. And then it really wafts out here on the bottom, and look how much fabric I have as well. So I think this would be better as a long sleeve top with leggings for the fall. So I'm not sure how I feel about this one. All right, let's do another one. Okay, next top is the Vince Commuter top with the black and white print on it. And this one is nice in the front. I like that it has this nice V on it. And it has a nice drape. It's a little bit longer in the back, comes up on the sides. However, it is a little bit low here on the sides for me. And I have a bit of extra room on it. I wonder if this is it is a extra small. I was just checking. So I can't size down on it. I just put on a pair of black slides I had to try this on. But it definitely comes down a little bit low under my arms, so I'd have to wear a different bra or get a little bit more creative if I wanted to keep this. But it's not really doing anything for me, I don't think. It's not overly exciting. I'm not wowed by it. It's okay. It's not a terrible piece. It's okay. Get a little bit closer so you guys can see it. Let me know if I'm missing something, but I just think it's okay. I have one more top for you. All right, this last top is this very sheer layer, and I put a black tank on underneath it, and you can see how long it is. Very long in the back. It has a little bit of a side slit here going on, and it fits me fine. But what do you guys think of this? So again, it's super long. I feel like this would be cute over a bathing suit because it's all nice and sheer. Like the whole thing is just sheer. I just have a black tank top on underneath this. So I just put this on over top of it. But I almost feel like as long as it is, I would almost just put it over a bathing suit or something. I don't know. I don't think I like it because it's asymmetrical. And I don't think I like how it looks with this tank top. I could do a different colored tank top and maybe that would switch out the look. Maybe if I did all white. All right, let's try that just out of curiosity. I'll be right back. All right, so now I have all white on underneath this. So I have a white tank top on, the white shorts, and I put this on over top. Does that look any better? I actually think maybe that is better. If I did this more like an overlay over something that else is the all one color. But I do think I like it better over all white than the black. What do you guys think? All right. I don't think I'm loving these shoes with it either. I have to switch out the shoes. Wear different shoes. Figure out how to make this outfit work if I were to keep this. So, all right. Let's get to checking out prices next. I will be right back. Okay. So what do you guys think? I'm not sure. Let's talk pricing. The Linen Net Empire Sleeveless Top. I think that's this one. Let's check. Yep. $74. I'm not sure I'm into this for $74. I'm thinking that's a no. The D-Cuff Sleeveless V-Neck Top in Blush. That would be this one. This one is $39. So I actually thought that's not a bad price point. This is kind of cute. So maybe. I have to think about the sleeves. That was kind of bothering me there. The white and black sleeveless V-neck top by Vince, $69. I wasn't really loving it. I'm thinking no. The long asymmetrical tank in black. This one was $49. What did you guys think of this? So it's interesting, but I'm not sure about it. So I want to know what you guys thought. Did you like it better when they had all white on and then you put it on over top? I'm not sure what to do with this. Let me know what you think. And then the Liverpool white shorts were $59. So these were nice shorts. I like the length of them. They're a nice white short. Price point isn't bad, $59. If I keep 3 items, I get 20% off, but I'm not sure what those 3 would be. Maybe the shorts. It would be probably the shorts, the pink, and if I can figure out what to do with this black, maybe. I don't know, guys. That's a tough one. So I will put all of these items down below in case you want to check any of them out or ask them from your stylist. I will also put my link to Natalie Attired down below for you as well in case you'd like to give this subscription a try. So thank you so much for joining me and my sidekicks today. Only Wyatt is left. Zena decided to leave. Do you want to say hi to everybody now? You made it? Yes. Okay. You can get treats since you made it the whole way through the video, right? Okay, so thank you so much. Please consider hitting that like button. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love it if you'd stick around and hit that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so very much. Till next time, everyone. Have an awesome, awesome day.